Neurofeedback is a very sophisticated form of neuromodulation. What this means is it's a type of device and technology that helps us to positively influence the brain in many different ways. The way in which it actually does that is it will visually show each individual's different brainwave state patterns. So one may be related to how stressed you're feeling, another brainwave state pattern may be related to how relaxed you're feeling, and so forth. Going by these different brainwave state patterns allows us to identify different challenges an individual may have. For example, if you're having difficulties with relaxing because you're in a state of chronic stress, or if you are having difficulties with attention, focusing, problem solving, even short working memory issues and processing speed. So it captures a lot of data for us. But in addition to that, it goes one step further. It actually creates a wonderful software using gamification. So it's essentially a video game that one will sit in front of and engage with. And so when you're actually playing this video game, you have to control it with your mind. And every time you do something correctly, you will get an auditory and a visual reward. So much like social media pings when you get a notification, this will ping when you've done something correct. And it will also visually show you how you have done something correct. So what essentially is happening is this video game is very discreetly behind the scenes influencing your brain to come into the brainwave state pattern that we would like you to be in. So it essentially helps you to regulate better in different areas. What that means is long term, as you stop using the video game, the brain will continue to learn this pattern of behavior. So it creates long-term changes to your brain pathways. Who will benefit from this service? That's the wonderful thing about the device is it has very wide applications. It can help people that are experiencing challenges with their mood, anxiety. It can be very helpful for individuals that are stuck in that chronic high stress level and they can't seem to come out of it. It's also extremely helpful for individuals that are struggling with attention difficulties with focusing and emotional regulation. At King's, we are heavily invested and highly committed to evidence-based practice and best practice guidelines. Therefore, we take the best research and implement it straight into our clinic, fresh from the lab.